First of all, I think in life everything is possible if you want to work hard. But my advice would be to try to make the most of this master program and make the most of your experience and student life here, because after that you are going to have more or less 30-40 years ahead to work. So try to get involved as much as possible in the student life and to do activities that will make your student life richer and better here. Of course, having professional experience is good, but my advice would be to focus fully on studying for the masters, working hard to pass all your exams with good grades, acquire a lot of experience with your projects in the university, and involve yourself in the student life. That's very, very important.
It depends, of course, to the classes, to the program as well, but basically every class has either an exam or a project or several projects. There is no, all the classes are easy to pass. No, everybody needs to work. It requires personal investment a lot.
I would like to add that the exam period, which is at the end of December, the first one, at mid-March, the second one, they are more or less of what I imagine the hell being. So you have to study and work a lot for that exam period. My advice would be start working hard from the first day in order to have an easier and a more enjoyable period during the semester.
One more thing is that generally the master's program semesters are really short. In American systems, you have 3.5 months, 4 months. Over here, you have a semester that starts mid of September till early December, and then from middle of January till early March. So they're really quick and fast paced. It's up to you to keep yourself busy and keep your work in order to get good grades, essentially.